Now, 20. Today, you know what is the date? Now, listen carefully. Stop. 25th July is your exams are starting for your semester. All of you know how many chapters. And if you count all the subjects, number of chapters and number of days for the exam, you will not get even 1 day for one chapter to revise. All of you know it now? Yes. Okay. So please start revising. Otherwise, at last, toward 25th July, 1 month, it will know days will go run away. So please try doing chapters, practice, make it this one daily. I'll do one chapter. Then what? Otherwise, it will not finish. Okay, so start doing it. It's not that you know, stand for a while, you know what happened? Or weakness now. This man got weak man. School also you are very weak now. All other things you are. Sit down. Yeah. Finally, before time you started. Good. So let's start.
Sir, down. Spell it out. No, sir. 18. Previous year.
Read us.
4, 8. Sir, sorry, I think he gave me one extra.
Ajay, read the question.
Yes. The sum of the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression AP is 42, and the product of the first and the third term is 52. Find the first term and the common difference.
Sum of, once again read.
The sum of the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. And the
Sum of first 3 terms, A minus D, A and A plus D.
yes,
Sub.
sir, yes, sir. Very good, sir.
Please stand up. Naman stand up. Pushkaraj stand up. Rudra stand up. What is the third one? You should tell. You four sit separately in different places. Half of the time I am just wasting my time only. You people go and spread around and sit. I have no issue. Unnecessarily don't sit and talk. Because there are a lot of places out there. Yeah. You people will sit and talk only. I don't do. Now I'm telling you. Now I'll send all the 4 out. One of you Wi-Fi is talking. Okay? Yeah. Attendance sheet will come to you, don't worry. So, sum of 3 terms. Shh. Therefore, write 3A is equal to 42. A is equal to 40. Understood or not? Then what is second one?
And the product of the first and the third term is 52.
Relax. First and third term, A minus D times A plus D is equal to how much? 52. That is A square minus D square is equal to 52. A is 14,196 minus 52 is equal to 6. The remaining you can find out.
Yes.
Subtract and you will get now 140. D is equal to plus minus. D, even that we will say you can get it. You will get as A plus D is equal to 40. Then replace this. Okay. But that is why I always take this way, it's easy. We have discussed now this will come 3 terms. Any other doubts are there? Okay, no problem. Now, after that you will start fighting. Nowadays becoming, I know becoming. Yeah, slowly, no need. Slowly, focus to your studies. And already I know, and think about I should get 100 out of 100 in maths. Last, I will take the name. Last year also people were telling topper. Finally, marks of the result came. Okay. What is the mark? Sir, less. Is it written less? So focus in your studies. If I tell the name, when we will know. So I am not telling this. Not really, friendly corporation. No. Okay, now listen. That is why regularly we know the people. If you want, who was the topper in this year of ICT?
Yes,
Kushagra. You know how he used to come? He will come with mobile phone, which that old, very old mobile phone. He never take the mobile. Very old means that one, not the Android phone. Button one. And every day he will do extra sum. He will not even talk. He will sit and do the work. Just like you. Yeah. Best example, just like you. Those who wanted to do, that is the way to do it. Not that talk and do it. That you from the beginning you have to start. Now, today let's see. How many times I'll call your name?
Challenge.
Okay, challenge is done. Okay. Distance formula.
X to minus x1 whole square minus
Wrong.
plus divided by
Sit down. Section formula.
section formula.
Forgot means you don't need to. Yes. Look, Tanvi. Don't remember. Yeah.
X square plus LX by
Repeat.
X to the x square plus LX by LX.
All of you stand up. Take out the formulas and learn. Then sit down.
Learn, sir.
Those who learn, sit down. Then I'm going to ask you. You have the hello, learn means why you're trying to make. Yeah. Wanda, stand up, please. Section formula.
X equals to LX square.
LX square. Then others, all of you be quiet. Pratham.
Yes.
Section formula.
X is equal to x2 plus nx square upon plus y is equal to my1 my2 plus my1 upon m plus n.
Learn. Then sit. Answer me. Yeah. Sit down. Section formula. Why?
Y is equal to m by 2 plus my1.
M plus N, you cannot interchange that one. Yes.
X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n.
Learned or not? Then sit down. The section formula is used for what?
To find the distance there are 2 points and there is 1 point somewhere in the, not in the middle but somewhere, but you have to find
Maybe
the distance.
middle or not middle. Then what is
The distance from
distance?
ratio, sorry,
Coordinates of C.
Coordinate of the point of division. What all will be given? Ratio is given. Endpoints are given.
Yes.
What are things are given? Ratio and endpoints are given to find the coordinate of the division. And division is internally or externally? Internally. Externally is later. Okay. Midpoint formula. Then what do you have to think? Rudra, midpoint formula.
X plus x2 plus y. X2 plus x1 by x plus y.
All of you be quiet. Breathe. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Sit down, both of you. Now these are the forms we have studied. Listen, all of you. So these are the 3 things you have, sorry, 2 things you have studied. Now, listen carefully. Section formula. We got the midpoint section. From the section, we got the midpoint formula. Now I'm going to explain one more thing. I said section formula we discussed as what? To find the point of division. Sometimes point of division is given. They will ask to find the ratio. Means what you have to find out?
Ratio.
M is to N. What is the value of M is to N? So we will take m is to n is equal to k is to 1. Can you take m is to n as k is to 1? So that is how. So listen, 2 is to 3. Can you make something is to 1?
Yes. 2 by 3.
Yes or no?
Yes.
2 by 3 is to 1. So k will come as 2 by 3. Then the ratio automatically. Understood or not? Why we making into this one? This, how many unknowns are there? 2 unknown. Yeah, how many unknown? 1 unknown. So then, if you write as m is to n is equal to k is to 1, then your formula will come as mx2 means kx2 plus 1x1 divided by k plus 1. And y value is equal to what? ky2 plus 1y1 divided by k plus 1. Have you followed or not? Whenever, remember this much only, then remaining automatically get. Okay, right below. Continue. To obtain the ratio, dollar sign. To obtain the ratio, m is to n. We take m is to n is equal to k is to 1. We take m is to n is equal to k is to 1. Snehal, what is going on? One pen and 3 people on. You have a pen? No. So you want a pen from anyone? You got the pen finally? Yeah, then therefore write this one. X is equal to x is equal to k is to 1. It's written over here. Therefore, write this one. Complete all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next. Listen. So we got the three things we got. One is a section formula, midpoint formula, when the ratio is taken. Now it's a remaining part. When the question comes, I will explain its application side. Now, the next one, you heard about centroid?
Yes.
Those who know centroid of a triangle, raise the hand. Yes. Very good. Centroid of a triangle is a point of intersection of all the medians. Is there anyone know centroid property? Those who know, raise the hand. Only Namia knows all these. Yes.
Divides the median into 2:1.
Very good. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. First time you are hearing. Yeah. Listen, all of you. I repeat once again. All of you listen carefully. Centroid of a triangle means point of intersection of the median. You know what I mean by median? Those who know, please raise the hand. Yes, Archit. Yes, line segment joining vertex to the midpoint. Sit down. Over here. Let's say triangle ABC. Vertex is A is, let's say, x1, y1. B is x2, y2. C is, let's say, x3, y3. Okay. Now, if I draw one of the median, AD, like that, you know, all the medians you can draw. All the meeting point is, let's say, G. Okay, this way extending and all. So G is the centroid. What is the property of the centroid? Centroid divide the median in the ratio. This makes no problem. Yes. Now we are going to find out what is the coordinate of the centroid. Means coordinate of x comma y. Listen now. To get this one, first is what is D? D is the midpoint of BC. So that means D can be obtained by midpoint formula. So when you apply, yes, midpoint formula apply. X2 plus x3. X2 plus x3 divided by 2, comma, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Sit down. So you got the D. Is there anyone having a problem? How did you get? No. Look, we have coordinate of A. What is the coordinate of A? X and Y. Do we have coordinate of D?
Yes.
X2 plus X3 by 2, Y2 plus Y3 by 2. Do we have the ratio M is to N?
Yes.
M is to N. Yes or no?
Yes.
So why I'm going to apply the section formula. So therefore X is equal to Mx2 means 1 into X1 plus Nx2 plus 2 into X2 plus X3 divided by 2 divided by 1 plus 2. This is M, this is N. Now check. Opposite typing. Okay. Any order you can pick. M, N. M X2 plus N X1. So M into X1 plus N into X2. That means M is how much? 1. 1 into X1 plus 2 into X2 plus X3 by 2 divided by 1 plus 2. That is your formula now. Mx2 plus Nx1 divided by M plus N. Here what you can cancel? So what is left out? X1 plus X2 plus X3 divided by 3. Coordinate of X. Same way if you are going to do, what will you get? 1 into Y1 plus 2 into Y2 plus Y3 by 2. 2 cut. Therefore, Y coordinate will come as Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 divided by 2. By 3. Are you followed? Who are those are the doubts? Raise the hand. What is your doubt? Huh? G. G is the coordinate of the centroid. That is the name of the centroid. I put a point. Like C. Now what is your doubt? Tell. Huh?
Value this number.
Value this is a property. 2 is to 1 you are asking. That is a property. Then what value? Arey, look, you let him speak now.
X is
That we have taken X comma Y as unknown thing. Do you know what is X standard there? Tell the section formula. Let me hear.
section of
Hmm.
MX2.
What is equal to?
X.
So X is equal to tell. X is equal to
X is equals to
Mx2 plus Nx1 divided by M plus N. M X2 N X1 divided by M plus N is equal to X.
How do you know that A is X2?
You want then it's over you. How do you you're taking us to is 3. Look here. This is the point A, 1 comma minus 2. This is the point B. You take it as 2 comma 4. First you decide what is M and what is N. Let's say C is this point. What is the point? What is the value of M? If you take this as M, this is an X1, Y1, this is X2, Y2. And this is N. Opposite. If we are taking opposite, this is M, this is N. Then what is X1, Y1?
X1 and X2.
Understood? Opposite, reverse one. Followed now. If you want to do, if you are taking, look, opposite if I am going to take, this is M, this is N.
Understood.
2 into this one plus N into X. Same thing only, all just in the addition interchange, A plus B and B plus A. Okay, now you follow now. So centroid formula you got heading right. Centroid formula. Centroid formula. Centroid formula. Right now. Centroid is the point of intersection of all medians. Centroid is the point of intersection of all medians. Written?
Yes.
Next line right. Centroid divides. Centroid divides the median. Centroid divides the median in the ratio. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Written? Now, median in the ratio 2:1. Right. If A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle. Are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Vertices of the triangle ABC. And are the vertices of a triangle ABC. And G x comma y is the centroid. Then formula right. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Whichever steps not followed, how it is coming and all you ask, I will explain. Followed all of you?
Yes.
So whichever the formula is written, you learned. Centroid formula learned.
Yes.
Direct, this all applying is very easy. Remember, midpoint formula means what? Add and divide by 2. Centroid formula means add all the 3 and divide by 3. That's all. And section formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the formula. Basically, this is only the formula in this chapter. Nothing else in this chapter formula. Formula done, but the questions you have to do it. Now, you want one question? I will.
Yes.
Or let's start the exercise. Or one question.
One question.
Okay, one question. Okay. Right. A 3, 5 and B okay 4, minus 3. Okay. Next, find the ratio in which AB is divided by the x-axis. AB is divided by the x-axis. Also, find the point of division. Division. Also find the point of division. 3 mark question. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by the x-axis. Find the point of division. Should I explain?
Yes.
If you want how to do it, just draw a rough figure and mark these 2 points. Then you will get a rough idea. Rough figure only. Just when you mark rough figure, you know what are which quadrants. A is in which quadrant? First quadrant. Okay, this you take as
Yes.
3, 5. B is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So this is what A is equal to 4, minus. Now this is x-axis, origin y-axis. Okay, this is all. Now, what is the question asked? Find the ratio in which AB is divided by x-axis. So let's say this point. This is the point of C. So what ratio you have to find out? What ratio? AC is to CB. That means you take this equal to K is to 1. So what is unknown? K. Now, still problem. What is the coordinate of C?
0.
X, comma
0. Tell once again. C is
X, comma
0,
comma
how 0,
X,
X comma X1 is 0.
X, 0.
See, this is coming as how 4 comma?
Right?
How 4 is coming? It is not this line now. C is X comma 0. Listen carefully. This much you got it.
Yes.
Now, listen. We have listen carefully. Still the work is not yet over. Over here, we need to find out what is the question. We get the value of K. K is enough. to use, we have two forms are there. One is x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. M is to n is k is to 1. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So which formula to be used? Should we use both or should we use any one?
Sir, X.
X if we using, do you have the value of x? No. Do you?
Y.
We have the value of y. What is the value of y? 0. So you have value of y. You have y1, you have y2, you have m and n. Are you followed? So this is the way. Now right, the figure is drawn.
Yes.
Okay, right. Let C is x comma 0. Okay. Divides AB in the ratio. Divide AB in the ratio k is to 1. C x comma 0 divide AB in the ratio k is to 1. Now write the values. X1 comma y1 is equal to what? 3 comma 5. X2 y2 is equal to what? 4 minus 3. M is to n is same as what? K is to 1. X comma y is equal to what? X comma 0. This value, so whatever required ones are written. Now we use y is equal to my2 plus ny1. If you use the x formula, you don't have x value. That's why we use it. Now replace. Y is replaced as what? 0. M is replaced as what? K. Y2 value, how much? Minus 3. Plus y, n is what? 1. Y1 value, 5 divided by k plus 1. Check. This much is clear.
Yes. K.
Cross multiply. 0 into k plus 1 is 0. Equal to minus 3k plus 5. That is 3k is equal to 5. K is equal to 5 upon 3. Therefore, what is the ratio? 5 by 3 is to 1 is same as 5 is to 3. That is the first value. Check the steps.
K is 5.
K is to 1 now. That is 5 by 3 is to 1 means the 5 is to 3. Now, is it over?
No.
What else you have to find out? Point of division. Point of division means coordinate of C. We have y value. We need to find out the x value. So write what is m is to n? What is m is to n? 5 is to 3. We have x1, y1. What is the value of x1, y1? 3 comma 5. And x2, y2.
4 minus 3.
Then x formula apply.
X.
Write x formula and substitute the values. my2, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Replace the values. Without mistake, replace. What happened? Tell now what is your doubt. Don't sit like that. You ask your doubt. Nobody will help you like that. Tell, I have a doubt. What is the doubt? Each step you are not followed. Yeah. Yeah. Is the formula? Yes or no? What is the value of y? 0. What is m? K. Y2. Y1. M is 20, K is 200. Substituted. Cross multiply 0 into k plus 1 is 0. Understood or not? Okay. Then substitute out. Here you got what is it? The answer you get us.
3 pi by 8.
So the value is coming up. M is equal to 5 times x2 3 plus 3 times 4 divided by how much? 5 plus
5 plus 3. 29 pounds.
yeah. How many of you got 29 upon 8?
No sending.
Three about 5 by 8. 3 5 by 8.
That is not the answer.
3 by 8, comma 0.
Final answer right. Completed. Yeah. Take the first exercise. Who did this model? Sir, I'm not getting it. Yeah. Yeah. Nishta, did you take the volume? Read the first question. All of you be quiet now. Yeah.
Calculate the coordinates of point P by the 1, 3 and P 5, 9 raised to 1.
Bilal, if you open the mouth, either you go outside. 1 is to 2. Okay, Nishta, tell what all things are given. What is A? Yes. A is x1, y1. Then x2, y2. Then m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. Now what you need to find out the coordinate of x and y.
Yes.
Do it now. Get with formula directly applied. Nobody will shout. Those who got the answer, do the next question. Write the formula and substitute. Where is your formula? Look. Then we still problem. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Carefully substitute 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2. Okay. 1 into 9 plus 2 into 3 divided by 1 plus 2.
So what the answer?
It is 7 by 3 got?
Yes,
That is 2 1 by 3 comma 5. Completed all of you?
yes, sir.
It's all right. 7 by 3 is okay. Don't make mistake. Okay. Completed all of you. Followed.
Yes.
Now this all. Once you are substituting, don't make mistake. That's all. Yes. Second question. Shardul, read the question.
In what ratio is the line joining 2 comma minus 4 and
2 comma
3 comma 6 divided by the y-axis?
y. Second value is what?
Minus 3 comma 6.
Minus 3 comma 6 divided by the y-axis. So
0 comma 1.
so point on y-axis is what? 0 comma y. So you will take x1 comma y1 is equal to first one x2 y2 is equal to 0. Then x comma y is equal to 0 comma y. And m is to n. What ratio? M is to n means what? K is to 1. Which only ratio they asked to know.
Yes.
So which formula use? X formula, y formula. Why x formula? Because value of x we know. So I write x formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Replace all the values carefully. X value you have without mistake. M is to N is K is to 1, right? That M is equal to K, N is equal to 1. Bilal, stand up, bring your notebook here. Ready here. Priyanshu, go to side. Come on, bring your notebook here. Bilal, stand up. You want to go outside from my lecture? Let's start. Come here. Bring your notebook here. K plus 1 is K plus 1. Come, bring your notebook here. Don't waste my time. Did you hear? Come here. No, move. Go. Move. Yeah. I know. Last time. This is how many times I have to tell you? Yeah. Left side substitute the value. 0 is equal to. Done. 0 is equal to K times x2. x2 what is how much? -3 plus 1 times 2 divided by K plus 1. This is the first step. Did you write this one? Then you can see 0 is cross multiply 0 equal to -3K plus 2. 1 is to 1. 2 by 3. Therefore, ratio is equal to what is the ratio? 2 is to 3.
Yes.
Check the steps. Be careful in doing. Huh? Why you need Y value? What happened? What is your problem? Loudly tell which one? This one. This one cross multiply now. This will come to the side now. 0 times K plus 1 is 0. Okay. Question completed all of you. Check the board. Yes. Completed all of you. Yes. Gayatri, read the third question. Still the people are talking. Hello? What discussion required? There is no discussion required. I am here. You are doubt, you tell me. Everyone doubt, you tell me. Okay? Yeah.
In what ratio does the point a, 6?
If it's on A, 6. Yeah, be quiet and listen to the question. First you listen. A, 6.
Divide the join of -4, 3 and 2, 8.
2, 8. 8. Okay. That's all.
Also find the value of a.
So now what is your problem? Tell here, this boy. What is your problem? Huh? Let David sit over there only. Umsaur is coming to you only problems creating. Book is not there means where is the third book over there? Whose book is that one? Where is your book? So listen, I have a question I will write over here. You can see from there. So what all values are given? Do you know what ratio? This is the point of division. Therefore, this is what x, y. Then this is what x1, y1. And this is what x2, y2. Then what you have to find out? Ratio. Means m is to n is equal to what? K is to 1. Now, which formula you have to apply? X or y? Y. Listen. Now look over here. We don't have x value. You have y value. So use the y value formula and do it. Write the formula y, substitute all the values.
Sir, when do we have to use the y value?
Now look in x. Do you have the value of x? What is the value of x? A. We don't know. What is the value of y? 6. So y we know. So y value. Okay. So y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Hello. Yeah, the answers will come, don't you? Look over there. No discussion. No discussion required. Hmm. Huh? K value, put down the value. What is the problem? Value y is how much? 6 is equal to K, how much? By 2 is how much? 8 plus 1 into 3 divided by K plus 1. Now what is the problem? Cross multiply. 6 into K plus 1, 6K plus 6 is equal to 8K plus 3. 6 minus 3, 8K minus 6K. 3 is equal to 2K. K is equal to 3 by 2. All of you got this one?
Yes.
Therefore, therefore the ratio 3:2. First part. Now you have to find the value of A also. So write M is to N is equal to 3:2. Now we have to find out the Y formula and substitute. We have to find the value of, X for X. Ratio, only ratio, you have to find out the value of A also. Okay, so X formula and substitute. Without discussion, all of you do. Half the time you discuss, it's not important, I will get first the answers. It is not. You learn how to do, that's very important. Replay. X is what? A. 3 times X2, how much 2? Plus 2 times minus 4.
Minus 2.
6 minus 8 by how much? 5. Minus 2 by 5. So value A. So 2 values, ratio you got. And A is equal. Hope all of you followed now. Yes. Got it. Nishka, where is your volume? Where is your volume? Oh yeah, this a lot of people are finding and I couldn't find. Yeah. Bilal, what are you looking and copying from there? Bilal, read the next question. What happened? Who is that? A is equal to, X is A na? Is 3 into 2. M is how much? 3. Look, M is 3, N is this one, X1 by 1. Look over there. Understood or not? Okay. Naman, read the next question. All 3 together, there is one question, one book only. Read.
In what ratio is the join of 4,3 and 2, minus 6 divide by the
4,3 and
2, minus 6.
okay.
Divided by the x-axis, also find the coordinate of intersection.
Point of intersection. X-axis means what is the point you have to take? X comma 0. So also same way we have done this question. X1 y1, X2 y2, X comma y. Ratio M is to N. Answers are coming out there, that's what we're talking. K is to 1. All of you do it. First is what ratio? Find the ratio, then the one intersection. No need to shout the one. All of you do it. Why bother talking? Okay. Generally, you may not get that one minus. It can be possible, but check once again. 1:2.
Yes.
All of you got, how many of you got 1:2?
Doing.
Yeah, check. Which value y is equal to? N by 1. You know why I'm telling this all of them same formula only using. With you, when you try it, then only you will find out your mistake. Then replace 0. K times -6 plus 1 time 3. Got it now? 0 equal to -6k plus 3. K is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, ratio is equal to 1:2. So first value, that is m:2n. 1:2. Then we have xy. We have to 1 into x2, 2 plus 2 into 4. That's why 1 plus 2. Check everything same way. What is it? 2 plus 8, 10 by 3. That's all now. 3, 1 by 3. Therefore, coordinate you have to write 3, 1 by 3, comma 3. Because hope all of you following now.
Yes, sir.
Akanksha, read the next question.
Point ABC and D divides the line segment by the point 5, -10 and origin in 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of ABC and D.
What is the first point? Point A is how much?
5, line segment point 5. 5,
-5, -10. And the origin in the 0, 0. In how many parts? 5 parts. Point ABCD, ABCD, no?
Yes.
If this is, let's say, P. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D. These are the 5 equal parts. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What is the meaning of 5 equal parts? Equal ratio, I can take 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means A divides, nobody responding. PO in the ratio 1:4. 1:1. 1 is to how much? 4. 5 equal parts now. B divides PO in the ratio 2:3. C divides 3:2. D divides 2:1. So you have to find out ABCD. Understood? So you have to apply 4 times section formula. Okay. So right. Draw the figure. What happened? Draw a figure this way. Rohit, something is going over here also. Yeah. Now write down. First step. A divides PO in the ratio 1:4. Therefore, what is it? X1, Y1, 5, -10. X2, Y2, 0, 0. And m:2n, 1:4. One is to 4. Then use the formula and substitute. X. You have to find out all the coordinate of A, coordinate of B, coordinate X and Y. Open the book and see.
You were studying it in CC, I can do it.
Okay, you both of you do in the book. Problem solved. Replace without mistake. One of them I'll do 1 into 0 plus 4 into 5. A got 4 comma minus 8. Then find out B. Simple, you do it the same. Little lengthy only. No need to shout, do B, C, D. Then do the next one. What happened to you? B, right. B divided in the ratio 2:3. 1 plus 1 is how much? Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is how much? So, remaining all same thing. Formula and all. Only the ratio changes. You can look at over here. Instead of this one, 2 and 3. There are 2 and 3. That's easy to do. The ratio is changing only 1 and 4 will come 2 and 3. You look at this one and then everything is simple. See what is it? 3 is to 3. D is 4 is to 1. Who got all of you, all the values? Naman got the answers. Naman got.
Not started. Have we got the values of A, B, C, D?
Yes.
All of you look here.
Yes.
Is there any simpler way you can do little more sometimes? Look. A is the midpoint of P and D. If you find out P, you can use the midpoint formula. Same way. Or if you want to see this one, T is the midpoint of OC. Like that, you can find out midpoint formula also wherever. That you think and do. It's a similar form only. But you have to see. If you first you find B, then use the midpoint formula A, you will get. Then after that, find the D. Sorry, find C. Midpoint formula you will get. Then what is left out? For the OC formula. Like that, you want to interchange and do it that one, so you can do it. Because all equal divisions. Okay. Because section formula and midpoint formula similar form. Yeah, completed all of you.
Yes.
Question number 6 one. Okay, 7th one. Acha, time over. Sophie standard. Sophie standard. Yeah, read the standard. Yes, like, settle the problem, no problem. Yeah, well, read the sentence.
Divided by the 9.
X equal to,
Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection.
which question you read?
7.
Read once again. Read once again.
The point of the line.
Now, which question you are reading now? Acha, read the 6th one.
The point of the line joining it. Okay.
Read the question. Yeah.
It's not that 5.
Hmm.
Find the point in line.
Sophie, the next lecture you will do this question on the board, okay? Also prepare and come. All of you listen here. From the homework, you do the first 5 questions and first 5 questions and come and do the practice of which practice. Yeah, listen. If after you have me to if we done already. Okay, do one thing. Similarly. Yeah. Okay. Let's start with this one now. Stop talking. We are done with chapter 1 now. Yes, we do.
Yeah.